Well, the opposition Congress in Meghalaya has affirmed unity within the party, with the All India Congress Committee in charge for the state, Manish Chatrat, saying that there are no internal rumblings. Party in charge Chatrat is confident that the party will make a comeback and form the government in 2023. Speaking to media persons, Chatrat said that the party is not only looking to emerge as the single largest party, but they are looking to secure the two-thirds majority in the polls.
Our aim will not be single largest. Our aim will be crossing two-thirds majority. Our MLAs, our MDCs, our PCC office bearers, we all stand united. So I don't see any reason to feel that there is any horse trading or anything happening at the moment.
Meanwhile, Manish Chatrat also slammed the NPP-led MDA government for not fulfilling the promises which it had made during the elections. Chatrat slammed the MDA government on the issue of illegal transportation of coal and rising unemployment in the state.
Fulfill their promises. You see the jobs. How many jobs are lying vacant? How many people have been given the jobs? There are so many issues. Illegal coal mining. So there are a lot of issues which they had promised when they came to power, and it has not been fulfilled. So it is for the people to decide. It is for the people to decide, and people will decide through elections only. And we are quite confident. We are quite confident the state is waiting for a change.
The AICC in charge maintained that there was no discussion about the removal of the present incumbent MPCC president, Celestine Linder.
This is a very personal decision of each and every individual to join or to stay in the party. As a team, as in charge of the state, my duty is to ensure that nobody leaves, and which I will try to best of my ability. And I know them, some of them I know since many years also in the Congress party, and they're not the ones who have to leave. Those who had to leave, they have already left. And those who are in the party are definitely going to stay in the party. I can say that only.
When asked about his predictions for the assembly elections in 2023, Chatrat said that elections will be fought democratically.
As the single largest party, it was for the governor to call us. It was not for us to go and ask. And we don't believe in any horse trading or poaching. But we didn't have majority. We have to organize ourselves and fight elections in a democratic manner, which Congress party is known for. And our target, our aim will be to form the government with the majority. That's it.